Hey, fellow hustlers. Welcome back to the Hustle Strategist channel. I'm glad you are here, and today, we're diving into an exciting topic that will turbocharge your affiliate marketing journey. It's all about how to find and join affiliate programs. Whether you're a newbie looking to dip your toes or a seasoned pro aiming to expand your portfolio, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. The affiliate program landscape. Before we jump into the how, let's discuss the why. Affiliate programs are the backbone of your earning potential. They're partnerships with companies that allow you to promote their products and earn commissions on sales, clicks, or leads. It's a win-win situation. Researching your niche. The first step in finding the right affiliate program is to know your niche like the back of your hand. Research what products or services your audience seeks and ensure the affiliate programs you choose align perfectly with their needs. Exploring affiliate networks. One of the easiest ways to find affiliate programs is through affiliate networks like ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and ClickBank. These platforms bring together a variety of companies and products, making your search more efficient. Scouting brands you love. Think about the brands you already love and trust. Many of them offer affiliate programs. It's a fantastic way to promote products you genuinely believe in, translating to more authentic content and better engagement with your audience. Checking commission structures. When evaluating affiliate programs, don't forget to check the commission structures. Some programs offer a percentage of sales, while others provide fixed amounts per lead. Choose programs that offer fair and competitive commissions. Assessing conversion rates. High commission rates are great but must be paired with good conversion rates. Look for programs with products that have a history of converting well. This ensures that your efforts translate into real earnings. Reviewing program terms. Before hitting that join button, carefully review the program terms. Understand how and when you'll get paid, whether there are any minimum payout thresholds, and if the program provides the necessary resources for your promotions. Applying and getting approved. Once you've found the perfect affiliate programs, it's time to apply. Craft a compelling application that highlights your strengths as a marketer. And remember, don't get discouraged if you're not approved immediately. Persistence pays off. And there you have it, your guide to finding and joining affiliate programs like a pro. As you explore different programs and partnerships, remember that patience and strategic thinking are your best friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell. Until next time, keep hustling. Thank you for tuning in to the Hustle Strategist channel. If you have questions or want to share your experiences with affiliate programs, drop them in the comments below. Stay inspired and driven. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.